Straight Talk Auto Refill is a free service that automatically refills your Straight Talk account balance or extends your service plan before it expires. This prevents service interruptions, potentially saves you money with discounted rates, and offers convenience. Instead of manually refilling each month, funds are automatically deducted from your chosen payment method, like a credit card, debit card, or digital wallet, and applied to your account. As of 2025, over 80% of Straight Talk users are using auto refill. Setting up auto refill is simple and can be done through the Straight Talk website or the Straight Talk app available on iOS and Android. First, log into your Straight Talk account using biometric authentication if available. Then, navigate to the auto refill section in the menu. Here, select your preferred refill amount and choose your desired frequency. Confirm your payment details using secure methods like digital wallets. The setup process takes just a few minutes, and you have full control to pause, cancel, or modify your auto refill settings anytime via the app or website.